So check it out, guys. Let me show you something. Something that I just figured out somehow. Magic, maybe. Alright, so here I have a knife, a pocket knife. And here is the mouth. So I can drag the knife using the mouth. Okay? Without touching the knife. Check it out. Do you see that? Did you see that? Try it again. What? Is that possible? Yes, it is. Somehow, I just figured out like the last 5 minutes ago, and I like, what? How can I drag the knife with the mouth? Oh no, magic, maybe. Oh. Yo, what poppin' everyone, it's K's here. Today we're going to do an unboxing videos of a Asakuki Essentials Oil Diffuser. Let's do this. Can't wait. Here's a package. The side. Another side. Alright. Let's get it open. Alright, let's see what's inside. Hey. Oh, okay. We have the measure cup. Very nice. Interesting. Oh my god. The other diffuser that I bought, it doesn't come with this. But this product comes with a measure cup. Oh, thumbs up. Thumbs up for Asakuki. Alright, we got the power plug in. AC power. There we go. Set it at a side. Alright. And I get that's it. This is like a fake wood. It looks like wood, but it's not wood. It's a flat plastic. Alright, so what is come with is the actual Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser. This is it. You have a mezzo cup, which is very handy. I love it. A power plug. And well, quick start guide. You may need this. I probably, maybe I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna check it out later. And interesting. Hey, it's like you're gonna have a free gift right there. How do I get the free gift? And what is the free gift? The Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser comes with a mezzo cup, which is one of my favorites. My other diffuser doesn't come with any. When I need to refill my water, I have to run down to my kitchen, get my glass, and fill it up with water, and then come back up to refill my diffuser water tanks. Sometimes it just, I feel like it's just so annoying. So including a measurement cup with such a good idea, because in my opinion, it makes my life much easier. The Asakuki had 7 LED light color and 2 bright modes, the bright and the dim level. You can also cycle all 7 colors or pick the colors that you prefer. For people who like to set off the timer, lucky for you, the Asakuki comes with timer option, so you can set the times for diffuser for like an hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, depend on what you need. Also, if you're like me, I like to manually turn on and turn off the diffuser by myself. There is a continuous mode or the on mode so that you can control the diffuser. Last but not least, the diffuser has two mode mist, the high mist and the low mist. To be honest, there isn't really any difference between the high mist and the low mist. So overall, I really like this diffuser. Basically, I bring it with me to any rooms that I go to, especially at night. I like to set this on for 1 hour before I go to sleep, because I think that is helped me get to sleep smooth and better. I feel like I have a better sleep at night since I have this diffuser. Also about the light, the brightness of the light. The brightness is not too bright to make you feel uncomfortable, but when you turn off all the light, you will see the lights, like the diffuser, it's kind of it's like bright enough to see it, and it makes you feel so relaxed and kind of very, very comfortable at night when you look at it. I like the quality, very nice builds. Even though these are just plastic, these are not real wood, but it look cool. It look nice. If you're looking for a diffuser, I definitely recommend you guys getting this. Alright, if you guys enjoy the videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't. It's gonna be more unboxing videos in the future. Alright, until next time, Kate signing out. See ya.